Hi, in this video, we are talking about relative locators in Selenium 4. So in our previous videos, we have seen above and below. So in this video, we will see ToLeftOf. Okay. So please watch those videos also for better understanding. So in this video, we'll see ToLeftOf. You see that above locator, below locator demo we have seen. So now we'll see left off, public void to left of locator demo. Okay, so here I will take till here the same code, launching the browser and navigating to that. And I'm not navigating to register.html. So I'm navigating to only demo.automationtesting.in. Okay, so now if I go to that website, you see that here I want to click on sign in button, but let's assume I do not have proper attributes for this. As this is a demo website, we have ID, all these things, but let's assume there is no proper locator for that. But I have a proper locators for this skip sign in button. You see that ID equal to button 2. I have a ID, but there is no proper attribute for sign in. But this element is left to this element, right? This element is left to this element. So then with respect to this element, I'll say this element is left of this. Then I'll find that element. Okay. So first we'll find this element and then we'll use ToLeftOf relative locator and we'll find this one and click on sign in, right? ID equals to button 2. So let's go to here. So web element, what is that? Skip sign in button is equals to driver dot find element by dot ID, right? We have ID that is btn2. I found this element uniquely. Now I want to find which one? Sign in button. Just for this demo, I'm assuming that there is no proper attributes or locator strategies for the sign in button. So then driver dot find element, we need to use this with. So that with will not come directly. We need to import static import. This is import static org.openqa.selenium.support.locators.relative locator.with. You need to add this manually. So you just add that and then you start using that. So with, and in this, what kind of element it is? It's a button basically. The tag name is button. So with tag name, sorry, by dot tag name. What is that? That this button, but this button is to left of which button? Skip sign in button. Right. So I do not have proper locator strategies, but I know this is a button. So button, input, div, span, something like that, right? So this is a button, but what kind of button? This is left of this skip sign in button. What is left of skip sign in button? That is sign in button, right? So now you can interact with that. I want to click on this. That's it, right? I found this skip sign in button. With respect to this, I found sign in button. The reason is this sign in button is left to skip sign in button. Okay. So now I'm clicking on that. We'll try to execute this and see whether it is clicking that sign in button or not. You see that I clicked on sign in button. It went to the sign in.html and I'm seeing another page. Okay. So this is how left of relative locator will helpful. Okay. In real time, you'll have multiple elements. Sometimes developer may miss putting some locators or sorry, attributes, all these things. So that time with the help of these things, we can find that element. Okay, so we have done left off. So in our next video, we will see right off. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.